Okay, now we're on to 1950 and the work of Erwin Chargaff. And Chargaff's contribution to DNA history has a lot to do with the structure of DNA. And he discovered that there is a pattern of the nitrogen bases. And the nitrogen bases, which are located here, they're the rungs of the DNA ladder. These nitrogen bases are your genetic code, so they make up your genetic code. And he discovered a pattern of the numbers of adenines equal the number of thymines, and also the number of cytosines equal the number of guanines. This became known as Chargaff's rule. And he also discovered that this percentage of A equals T and C equals G is by species, as you could see here in this graphic, going from, we've got some plants, we have some fungi, we have bacteria, and we have animals, including humans. And we could see that percentage there is different from one organism to another organism. Now, with the adenines, thymines, cytosines, and guanines, we will look more at these later on when we get to DNA and to RNA. Okay, what I'm going to need you to do is to go to What I'm going to need you to do is to watch this video. So you'll need to pause what we're doing here once we finish this, just to cut this video off, and then go back and watch this video. So click on this video, and this will show you how to work problems dealing with Chargaff's rule. And then you're going to have 5 problems to work, and I'm going to have these posted in Nearpod. But make sure you watch this video or you're going to be completely lost in space when it comes to working out these problems.